Hello, Vincent and Vivian. Thank you for being here today.
Hi, Aura. Thank you for having us.
Hello, Aura. Hello, Aura. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello. So today I would like to present you both the museum space design at Bethlehem Museum of the Mind. Okay. So this is the summary content page, but I will be going through in detail of each page with you right now. So first of all, thank you for an interesting brief for this space. I have summarized the main characteristic of the museum and the requirement right here for you to recap with all the information.
Okay.
Here I have conducted a site survey to see the building location, condition, etc. I have also researched the daily activity events and who its users are. The main point, this museum is heavily used by mental health patients from hospital and the visitors are mostly research students and general public. The museum also have a room hire service, which mostly hired by local working professionals. This museum contains artworks from current and previous patients. So with this information to hand, I would like to approach the requirements with sustainable dining room design, as well as achieving sustainable lifestyle for this project.
Okay.
So I have thoroughly studied in regard to sustainable development, which I've divided into major four sections. I have studied about how to achieve sustainable development goals, human dimension to get the user to have the most comfortable economic positions, biophilic design. The biophilic design means using natural resource to create a sense of harmony between modern architecture and the natural world and circadian rhythm. It is a sleep wake cycle like a body internal clock system, usually affected by light and darkness. And lastly, the history, how the dining room was designed in the past as well. After all the research, I have come to conclude that I would like to deliver this sustainable concept for this museum space, which will be a multifunctional room. First, the main use, a showcase dining room design. Second, become the drawing room for art therapy program. And third, can be a meeting room for hire as well. The concept can show sustainable awareness, the use of nature's impact on the environment, as well as generating a sustainable lifestyle. This is a theme I would like to present, greenery turquoise effect, as this green concept carry more positive emotional connotation. The color green has strong association with nature and bring to mind luscious grass, trees, and forests. The color green can positively affect your thinking, relationship, and physical health. It is also thought to relieve stress and help heal according to psychological research, which I found the most suitable and appropriate for this project. The user will be mental health patient and possibly staff. For this page, I would like to show you how the design came about. I have tested a couple of bubble diagrams, traffic flows to find the most optical layout. I have created a couple of nature concept board and a rough sketch of a wall panel design as well. And here I have tested FF&E selection, which the furniture is all in sustainable design base, accompanied by visual developments, placing furniture, artworks, and lights to complement each other, then amended to the final design. This is the final layout. The layout has a symmetrical balanced appearance when looked from either entrance. When you enter, you are going to have a distinctive focal point on its own. Also, I have split sideboard into location at the top there, provide a sense of balanced layout like a twin furniture. The fireplace on the left will make the room look more cozy and create a relaxed environment. Importantly, wheelchair user can access all around in this room as well as have a good flow air circulation. Here, I would like to show you sustainable design with sustainable lifestyle with the technology integration. There is a relaxation corner in the room. This is ergonomic developed for human body system. It can be used by disabled user, elderly, or anyone really. There is 3 LED display screens used as artificial windows with nature views and sound on the wall to mimic outdoor scenery. This 4 window screen is particularly useful to support mental health environment for patients. Also, this show potential in the Real House project to have a real window for sustainable lifestyle in a dining room. For frame TV above the fireplace to rotate artwork for general visitor or become a display screen when it is used as a meeting room. I have incorporated a UVC air sterilizer, the white one on the left, to disinfect the space, to clean and prevent airborne disease. It is safe to use when people stay in the room, but for the safest precaution, I would suggest to have daily schedule for after closing hour only when it's empty room and unoccupied. To minimize the chance of people being exposed to UV light from this lamp, all the furniture are non-toxic materials and easy for maintenance. I would like to reuse existing artwork and ceramic. This is also an essential part of sustainable development.
Okay.
So here I have created this page to show you exactly the location of furniture with their key sustainability. For example, pendant lights are made with bamboo plywood with sustainable production. For this page, I have rendered section, and for this page is a 3D visual views. This design is a well balance of modern meet traditional style, a combination of solid classic furniture with modern furniture. Table feel natural, relaxed armchair is super comfortable with standout personality. The sideboard cabinet achieved the high-end appearance and is perfectly functional as well. I choose this color tone of furniture to bring a calm feeling to complement with greenery-inspired wall panels. Pendant light is striking. It's a refined design. It clearly shows a leaf which bring the outdoor in. For this one is adjustable light setting option. The top one using maximum brightness from wall LED uplight strips for work meeting or drawing room mode. And the bottom one, dimmable light to create relaxed ambient mood. This setting can be used when the room is on display as exhibition. Okay, here for the next part are technical drawings. Here is technical floor plan, show location of furniture with floor finish. Here is technical elevation with wall finishes and dimensions. And here is the elevation show with FF&E and light fixtures. And here is the electrical plan, the location of switch, sockets, electrical supply. You can see all the detail in your own time later on. And lastly, here is the sample board. I have produced this with the most detail of each texture to give you an idea of how furniture finished would look like in real life. So thank you for listening, and I would like to open this up to what are your opinions and any question you may have.
Thank you, Aura. That's a great presentation. I think you got the brief, understood the brief very well. I particularly like your concept of sustainability. I see a lot of it in your design, from the wooden doors, the wooden table, and of course the leaf designed lighting. It looks very special.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Very good design. I do have a question. When I was looking at one part of it, it said something about frame TV. I didn't really understand the frame TV bit. What was that? What is that?
Oh, the point of the frame TV is to have an option of the TV to be focused off the room when it is on, but it's fade into a room when it isn't being used and actually display artwork instead. So it automatically adjusts screen brightness, which help it to look less like a TV, but more like artwork.
Oh, okay. So that's quite smart, actually. That's yeah. It sounds very techy, but yeah, very cool. Okay, very good.
Yeah, good, good. I really like the furniture choice. It looks really so sophisticated, and I like the nice to have a relaxed corner as well. It's really nice, and there's any possibility to for the dining chair to have a armrest?
Hmm. The chair with armrest will add extra comfortability to the arm, yes, but the reason I choose not to use it because if we have 12 dining chairs with it armrest side by side, it would be too cramped for access and movement. That is the reason why I don't use the one with armrest.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. So you don't want it to bulky the way. Yeah, I got it. Really nice. Good, good.
And oh, just what? And the wooden doors. Explain to me why you chose to add doors, because it doesn't really give a expedition feel of the room.
Uh, Yeah, this is a little compromise, but the door can actually be opened outward fully. So with that wide access, it should actually give you a good flow feeling of walk in and out. Also,
Okay.
having the door is actually make it multifunctional to be private meeting room, drawing room occasionally. So it actually will generate more income for the museum.
Ah, okay. Yeah. So that actually makes perfect sense. So open it all out, looks like an expedition, and then you make it into meeting room or room hire service. Okay. So that income generating, perfect. Okay.
Yeah,
Very good.
Good. Another thing, Aura, I'm
yeah.
concerning about the vinyl flooring. Could it look cheap, or can we have a tile or a wood flooring instead?
Ah, yeah, I have selected this particular luxury waterproof vinyl. The reason is it is eco-friendly, it's resilient, it's super long lasting. The
Oh,
surface texture is actually look very real, look like a wood texture. So it's
okay.
actually a bit look like a real tile, but without any regroove, any grout line. So it's actually
Oh,
would make it seamless and easy to keep hygiene surface and actually keep easy to maintain
oh, good, good.
than
So,
tile or
yeah,
wood.
looks like sounds practical. Oh, really good. And that for that place, good, good.
Okay.
Really like it.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
thank you. Any more question?
No,
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 no.
I don't think so. You've answered very
Every-
well. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really
All right.
good. Yeah.
So thanks again for your time today. So if there is any more question, please do not hesitate to let me know. I look forward to hear from you. Many thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Aura.
Thank you.